Hey Matt, we're going to show you today how to make a modern kitchen upgrade for less than $50. This is an easy way to put a modern twist on an outdated backsplash. Let me show you how we did it. The supplies we're using is a masonry brush, plastic, paintbrush, masking tape, and the lime wash paint. I'll put a link in the description below to all these supplies. This video is brought to you by outlawsboardbutter.com. Get yours today to help you finish, condition, restore, or protect your cutting boards, charcuterie boards, or wood utensils. Board butter's so good it should be outlawed. First thing you need to do is remove the outlet covers. It's a good idea to throw the breaker on these. Remove anything away from the wall that's going to be in the way, like the stove, and for the masonry brush, we're just using that to clean the backsplash. Brush the backsplash with a stiff bristled brush. That'll help remove any loose debris like you see here. Next thing you want to do is tape any sections you don't want to get this paint on. We're just using regular masking tape, and then we went over it with a plastic wrap that actually had tape on one side, which is very convenient. This is the lime wash paint. We bought this ourselves. We're not sponsored. This stuff worked really well. You do have to dilute this paint with water, and it's very easy to do. The instructions are clearly marked on the back on how much to mix. You see Miss 731 here mixing the proper ratio, or so we thought. It actually was a little bit watery and a little nerve-wracking to start.
Don't mess up now.
You want to take a spray bottle and dampen the stone before you start applying the finish. You see how runny this mixture was? We corrected this in later steps, but it did work well. It really depends on the finish you're looking for. This works on fireplaces and even exterior bricks. Brush it on evenly. Even though this was really thin, we was able to spread it out even and get a good even coat. It doesn't take long to do, actually. It goes very, very fast. Here you see Miss 731 had an uh-oh when she dropped the paint bucket and it went everywhere. It even got in her hair. And you can hear me laughing right there. And once it dries 10 to 60 minutes according to the instructions, then you just start wiping it off. When wiping it off, you can actually apply lighter pressure or heavier pressure to remove more or less. Now we went back with a second coat because it wasn't as dark as we wanted it. It didn't hide as much of the stone as we wanted, that look we was going for. So we just added another coat, and as you see here, as it dries, it actually turns a deeper white. You see the spots where it's darker white than the others, that just where it's drying more. Then you wipe that off again with just a dry terry cloth is what we used. I believe if we would have mixed it thicker on the first coat, we wouldn't have had to use more than one or maybe two coats. So we hadn't got the coverage we really wanted, the look we were going for, a more modern look, so we mixed up a batch of thicker paint this time, and all it was you mixed more paint than water, and then we started brushing it on. As you can see here, it's not running down the wall as much. It's more the consistency of paint you would buy at the store now. Then we covered the entire backsplash with the third coat and let that dry. Also keep in mind when you're putting it on that it'll actually deepen or darken as it dries. Then we went back with a clean terry cloth and she just started wiping as much off as she wanted. Now you can leave it as coated as you want or rub as much off of it as you want. It'll come off pretty easily. Once you get that uniform look that you're going for, let it dry. The instructions actually say you can wash this off within 2 days of applying it. So if you don't like it, I guess you could just take some water and wash it all back off. Now it's time to clean everything up. Very easy to remove the tape and plastic. You see we got a good sharp line there on the counter. We decided that the old outlet covers needed replaced, so we picked up some new ones. Go ahead and put those back in place. Then go ahead and do any wipe downs that you need. This stuff's very water soluble, so if it did get somewhere, it cleans up really easily. This 731 went ahead and put everything back on the counter as you see here, but we were very careful not to touch the backsplash because it does take about 2 days to fully cure, except for that one piece she laid up against the backsplash there. Sure, it'll be fine. Check this out. What a drastic change that made from going from old tile to modern tile in about 2.5 hours. Very quick project, very easy to do, and anybody can do this with under $50. And Mia approves. If you like this video, you'll love the faux shiplap video we got. You can check that out right there. If you click that box, you get the big old virtual fist bump. Also, another one of our favorite DIY projects right there.